Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you are going to learn some of the top Excel keyboard shortcuts listed on the right side here, 1 to 9. On the left side, I have a table which contains student names, admission dates, score, and email IDs. Let us start with the first one, which is to auto-fit the columns. As you can see in the table, the width of the columns are uneven and contain a lot of space. Let us remove these extra spaces by applying the quick keyboard shortcut, which is Alt-HOI. Select any cell in the table, press Ctrl-A, and then press Alt-HOI on your keyboard, Alt-HOI. As soon as you do that, you can see extra spaces have been removed and the columns have been auto-resized in the table. Next, let us do an auto-fit for the rows. In the table, you can see the row height is uneven and contain unnecessary space. So let us apply the shortcut and auto fit the rows. Select a cell, press Ctrl A, and then press the keyboard shortcut Alt HOA to auto fit the rows, Alt HOA. So the rows have been automatically adjusted. Now let me resize the text box here. The third keyboard shortcut is to apply border for the entire table. To apply border, simply select a cell, press Ctrl A to select the entire table, and then type the keyboard shortcut Alt HBA. So I'm going to type Alt HBA. As soon as you do that, Excel applies border to the entire table. The next shortcut is to convert this table into an Excel table. Again, select the entire table and apply the keyboard shortcut Ctrl T. So I'm going to now type Ctrl T on the keyboard. A pop-up dialog appears. Make sure you have this box checked because I have a table with headers. So that is the reason I'm going to check this box. Press OK. As soon as you do that, this is converted to an Excel table, and using the table styles here, which is shown on the top in the ribbon, you can change the style of the table to what is desirable. The next shortcut is flash fill. Now suppose you want to change the way admission date is formatted, you can apply flash fill method. Now suppose if I want to remove hyphens and just use space to separate the date, month and year in the date, I can simply type the date value, space, month value, space and year value. Next, I can simply press Ctrl E, which is the shortcut for flash fill. After I do that, Excel automatically repeats the same pattern for the remaining cells as well. Let me take another example. If for whatever reason you want to add individual digits in the score column, you can do that very simply by using flash fill. In order to do that, just type percentage. It can be any other character as well. It can be hash but not equal to. Use percentage. Then do 8 plus 7 and then press enter. And following that, press Ctrl E to repeat the pattern. Now, as you can see, Excel has added plus 7 to all the cells. That is something which we do not want. We want the second digits to be added instead of plus 7. To correct that, I am going to give another pattern to Excel so that it understands that we are interested in adding the 2 digits. So I'm going to give another pattern which is similar to the first pattern. Now I can press Ctrl E. Once I do that, you can see Excel has understood the pattern and it has repeated the same pattern for the remaining cells. Now I can simply replace percentage symbol with an equal to operator. That will convert the cells into a formula cell and add these individual numbers. Now let me select the entire column, press Ctrl H to bring up the find and replace. Now I'm going to find percent and replace it with equal to operator and then click the replace all button. So as soon as I do that, the individual characters are added and the value is displayed here. In the next example, we are going to show you how to delete a row or a column using Control plus minus keyboard shortcut. So to delete a column, select a column here and then press Control minus on your keyboard Once you do that, the column gets automatically deleted. You can delete a row as well. In order to delete a row, select a row by clicking the row header, press Ctrl minus key. So as soon as you do that, a row is deleted. Now to insert a row, you just have to use the plus character. To insert a row, select a column and press Ctrl plus on your keyboard. To insert a row, select a row and press Ctrl plus character in order to insert an empty row. In the next shortcut, we are going to bring up format dialog by simply pressing Ctrl 1 shortcut. Now let me undo this. Select any cell, press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard to bring up the format cells dialog. The format cells dialog pops up within the context of the selected cell. Now you can navigate to the format cells dialog and change any formatting if you wish. The last one is auto sum. So we can simply use Alt plus equal to keyboard combination to sum the entire column. Suppose if I want to sum the score column, I just have to go to the end of the column and then type the keyboard shortcuts Alt equal to. So once you do that, Excel automatically adds the values in the entire column. And you can see here in the formula bar, the Excel has automatically applied the formula subtotal. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.